So today I'm going to be showing you how to do this slick bun. This has honestly been my go-to hairstyle for the summer because it keeps the hair out of your face, off your back, off your neck. It's great for hot weather. Slick buns are just the most elegant, pretty hairstyle, and I think they flatter everybody's face shape. So if you guys want to see how I achieved this look, then continue watching. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is part your hair. I have this comb just literally from Dollarama, and the end is just pointy, so I use it to part my hair. Depending on the part that you do, obviously you're going to use the comb differently. If you have a middle part, just start at the tip of your nose and follow all the way up to part your hair like that. Since I have a side part, I just kind of eyeball like where I want my part to be. And then you literally just pull the hair. Do it a couple times until you get it just the way you like it. After you part your hair, you just kind of want to brush it down to make sure it's straight. You just want to comb it through to make sure you get rid of any knots and bumps. I do have curly hair, so I have to brush it after combing it just to like ensure there's no bumps or anything. Combing your hair is the most painful thing ever if your hair is curly. And then I'm just going to go in with a brush to make it extra slick. It depends on the day and how slick I really want it to be, because sometimes I literally just throw it in a bun without brushing it, but obviously to make it perfectly straight you need to brush it out. The most essential tool to getting a slick bun for me is this kind of brush. I honestly don't know what it's called. I went to Sally's Beauty Supply before I was going to prom to get gel and like 2 of these brushes just because I knew I was going to do like a slicked look. So the gel I'm using is Porcelain Crystal Ice. It's pretty good, ultra hold. I've only ever used this gel, so I can't really compare it to anything. I'm definitely going to try out other gels after I'm done this one. What I do is I take the brush, I dunk into it like a tiny bit. I always start right behind my ear because I have these like baby hairs that are really annoying and I like to slick down first, so I literally just comb them down. And then I just make my way up. And then I just start brushing down the top layer of hair. That's one side down, and then I just do the exact same thing on the other side, starting behind my ear. I think depending on your hair type, you gel your hair differently. My hair texture is really unique, so even though it looks like it's really fine and like thin and doesn't even need gel, it honestly is crazy. I literally have to like do my edges. Like my hair is so weird, and I think it's because of the color that it's like there's just no pigment to it, that it's a really weird texture. It's really fluffy, so I do have to use like extra strong gel hairspray whenever I do hairstyles on my hair. The back of my hair is really wavy just because I brushed it out, so I am going to gel it. It's not going to go completely straight until I actually pull it into a bun. I just brush and then hold the hair to make it stay in place. The hardest part about putting my hair in a bun is my little baby hairs here. I know a lot of people don't mind like having them out. I hate it. I like them to be completely slicked. What I do is I use my fingers. I just get a little bit of gel and then put my hair into a ponytail, flip it, and then honestly just apply it under. I put a lot on and then I use my brush and just brush it through. And then grab an elastic and tie it into a tight ponytail. I do it just above the nape of my neck. Okay, my bangs are still growing out. That's why you can see my hair was shorter in the front. So just to ensure it doesn't like fly away throughout the day, I take a little bit of gel on my finger and I just kind of push it into my hair towards the direction of the ponytail, obviously, and that like just holds it all day. So I do that on both sides. Obviously you just want to make your hair into a long coil, so just twist it. I just twist it and tuck it in under the bun, and then grab another elastic. And just secure it. If you want to make it a little bit bigger, you can pull it apart. If my baby hairs are like extra crazy, I'll take a toothbrush with hairspray and like slick them down, but it's fine right now, so I'm not going to do that. You also could hairspray the entire look. I don't like the way hairspray makes my hair feel. It's just like crunchy and annoying, so I'm not going to be doing that. And I also do like how with just gel, if you wear this hairstyle throughout the entire day, like some hairs will start to like fall out and naturally frame your face. So I don't mind not hairspraying it. This is the final look.